Hi, welcome to Alwala General Knowledge class. Today our topic is Presidents of India. Our former presidents, what they have records, all those things I will explain. Our country is a parliamentary democratic republic. Article 52 explains president. Article 52 what explains there shall be a president of India. That person is constitutional head of our country. Any country is republic in the world, that country must have president post. If a country's president is elected by the people either directly or indirectly, that country is called republic. Our country, whenever formed on republic, it means on January 26, 1950, at the time compulsory president post is required. That's why on January 25th, 1950, our Constituent Assembly met and also elected our first president of India. That person is Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. On January 25th, 1950, Election Commission was also formed on that day. That's why every year January 25th is observed National Voters Day. On the establishment of Election Commission on January 25th in 1950, that's why we have been implementing National Voters Day on January 25th. Our Election Commission was formed on that day because to elect one president. Then January 26, 1950 onwards, India is one republic. First, number one, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, our country's first president. He was the president of Constituent Assembly, famous lawyer from Bihar. This person was born in 1884 and he was died in 1963. After 1 year of retirement, then he was died in 1963. What are main records of this person? You remember, he served to our country's president totally 12 years. First 2 years, he was elected by Constituent Assembly. After that, according to Constitution, he was elected by Electoral College. Our president is elected by Electoral College. Electoral College includes elected members of Lok Sabha, elected members of Rajya Sabha, and elected members of State Assembly members. All these members selected our president. MLCs, nominated members, are not eligible to participate in our president election. Electoral College is included those members only, but not MLCs, member of legislative councils, and nominated members in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha are not eligible to participate in our president election. Rajendra Prasad was elected 2 terms. In 1952, according to Constitution, he was elected, and 1957 also he elected. Maximum term ruled president of our country is, you remember, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. His record is what? In 1957 elections, he got highest percentage of votes in president election. Which president got highest percentage of votes? You remember, Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. Next, second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was born in Tamil Nadu, present Tamil Nadu. That place is located in present Tamil Nadu, but maximum he lived in Andhra Pradesh. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was born in 1888. He was died in 1975. The great philosopher and teacher, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first vice president of our country and second president of India. From 1962 to 67, he worked our country's president. He wrote so many books on philosophy. Indian philosophy book was written by Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. A Hindu view of life, an idealist view of life, books are written by Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. This person birthday is Teachers Day. From 1962 onwards, our country is following Teachers Day is on September 5th. September 5th is the birthday of this Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. This person point of view, main these things you concentrate. Next, third president of our country, Dr. Zakir Hussain, famous Muslim educationist. He was born in Hyderabad. Which president was born in Hyderabad? That is, remember, only one president of all these presidents born in Hyderabad. That person is Zakir Hussain. His father was working with Nizam Nawab at the time. He born in Hyderabad. He was born in 1897 and he was died in 1969. Only 2 years he worked president of our country. His records, what you remember, shortest term ruled president of our country is Dr. Zakir Hussain. First president was died in the post. That person also Dr. Zakir Hussain. First Muslim president, first president was died in the post, shortest term rule president. He was one of the co-founder of Jamia Millia Islamia, famous Muslim educationist of our country, that person Zakir Hussain. When he was working president of India, he was died in 1969. Next, fourth president, Varaha Venkatagiri. He Telugu origin person. He was born in Berhampur in 1894. His father was working lawyer in Berhampur at the time he was born. Present, it is located in Odisha. This person was the fourth president of our country, third vice president of India, first acting president of our country also. Dr. Varaha Venkatagiri was first acting president, because whenever Zakir Hussain was died in the post in 1969, at the time he was vice president of India, then immediately came to the power as a acting president. Acting president is mentioned in our constitution. That's why first acting president of our country is Varaha Venkatagiri. Only 3 persons worked acting presidents of our country: Varaha Venkatagiri, Dr. Muhammad Hidayatullah, and Dr. B.D. Jetty. These 3 persons worked acting presidents of our country. 2 vice presidents worked acting president, Varaha Venkatagiri and B.D. Jetty. Only one Supreme Court Chief Justice worked acting president of our country in 1969, that person Justice Muhammad Hidayatullah. What are the main important points to remember about Varaha Venkatagiri? He was railway union leader. Basically, after that, railway minister also worked. Only one railway minister was elected president of India. That person is Varaha Venkatagiri. His other record, what you remember, only one president was elected independently. That person is also Varaha Venkatagiri. His grandson is famous journalist in our country, Palagumi Sainath. Finally, this person was elected president of India. Next, Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad was born in Delhi. He was born in 1905, but he was elected from Assam state. He worked minister in Assam also. That person was elected president of India in 1974. He was the second Muslim president of our country. Internal emergency was imposed during Indira Gandhi time by this Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. In 1975, whenever internal emergency was imposed, at the time our president was Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. He was died in 1977. Second president of our country was died in the post. That person is Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. He also issued maximum ordinances. Next, sixth president of our country is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. He was born in Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh in 1913. He was elected president of our country in 1977. He was the youngest president of our country. At the age of 63 years, he was elected president of India. Of all presidents, who is the youngest president? That person is Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Any president of all our presidents was not born after independence. All presidents were born before independence. Out of these 14 presidents, all presidents were born before independence. He was the youngest president. When he was elected president of India, at the time his age was 63 years. His records, main records you concentrate. He was elected unanimously. Without election, only one president was elected in our country, that person Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. First Lok Sabha Speaker was elected President of India. Only one Andhra Pradesh CM was elected President of India. All these are records of Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Next, Gaini Jail Singh. This person belongs to Punjab. He was born in 1916. He was elected President of India in 1982 during Indira Gandhi period. His term from 1982 to 1987. This person belongs to backward community. How many presidents belong to backward community of all these presidents? That person is only one. Jail Singh belongs to backward community. This person used pocket veto. Only one president used pocket veto in our country, all presidents. That person is Gnani Jail Singh. Postal bill point of view, this person used pocket veto. That is also remember. How many presidents used pocket veto? Only one president used pocket veto power. That person is Jail Singh. Belongs to Punjab. Next, 8th president of our country is R. Venkatraman. R. Venkatraman belongs to Tamil Nadu. He was born in 1910. He was elected President of India in 1987. He was the oldest president of our country. When he was elected President of India. At the time, his age was 77 years. Youngest president, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. Oldest president, R. Venkatraman. He worked with 4 prime ministers. Only 2 presidents in our country worked with 4 prime ministers. When he was elected president of our country, at the time Rajiv Gandhi was prime minister. After that, VP Singh time also he worked, Chandrasekhar time also he worked, and PV Narasimha Rao time also worked. This person worked with 4 prime ministers. Shankar Dayal Sharma also worked with 4 prime ministers, but only 2 presidents in our country worked with 4 prime ministers. They are R. Venkatraman and Shankar Dayal Sharma. R. Venkatraman famous book is My Presidential Years. He wrote that book after retirement of this post. Shankar Dayal Sharma belongs to Madhya Pradesh. He was Chief Minister of Bhopal State also. Before forming states on linguistic basis, he was Chief Minister of Bhopal State. After that, that is Madhya Pradesh. He was born in 1918. He was elected President of our country in 1992. Before that, he was Vice President of India and also Governor of Andhra Pradesh. First Governor of Andhra Pradesh was elected to President of India. Only one Andhra Pradesh Governor was elected to President of India. That person is Dr. Shankar Dayal Sharma, Madhya Pradesh. His term from 1992 to 1997. Next, 10th President of our country is K.R. Narayanan. First diplomat was elected to our president post. That person is K.R. Narayanan. He was basically IFS officer. After that, entered into politics. He belongs to Kerala. He was born in 1920. He was elected President of India in 1997. His records, mainly we have to concentrate. Those records are, he was first Dalit community or SC community president in our country. Before that, any SC community president was not there. He was the first president from SC community, that person K.R. Narayanan. He got maximum majority in president election. Rajendra Prasad got highest percentage of votes, 99 above percentage of votes, but he got less percentage, but difference between winner and loser, he got highest majority. That person is K.R. Narayanan. From 1997 to 2002, he worked our country's president. He was died in 2005. 11th president of our country is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. First scientist and only one scientist was elected president of India so far. Third Muslim president in our country. He belongs to Tamil Nadu. He was born in 1931. On October 15, 1931, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born. That's why October 15th is observing International Students' Day. He was elected president of our country in 2002. His term 2002 to 2007. First scientist and only one scientist was elected to President of India. That person, Dr. Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. He was died in 2015 in Shillong. Next, 12th President of our country is Pratibha Patil. She belongs to Maharashtra. Only one woman president of our country. She was born in 1934. Of all our former presidents, only one president is living now. That person is Pratibha Patil. She belongs to Maharashtra. She was elected President of India in 2007. Her term was between 2007 and 2012. Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. Her full name is simply called Pratibha Patil. Only one woman elected to President of India post. That person is Pratibha Patil. Next, 13th President of our country, Pranab Mukherjee. He belongs to West Bengal. He was born in 1935, died recently in 2020. Second Finance Minister was elected to President of India. First Finance Minister was elected to President of India post, R. Venkatraman. Second Finance Minister was elected to President of India. He got recently Bharat Ratna also. Latest of all presidents, Bharat Ratna recipient is also Pranab Mukherjee. Of all these presidents, only 6 presidents got Bharat Ratna. They are Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, V.V. Giri, APJ Abdul Kalam and Pranab Mukherjee. These 6 presidents got Bharat Ratna so far. Pranab Mukherjee, 13th president of our country. Last one, present working president Ramnath Kovind. He belongs to UP. He was born in 1945. He was elected to President of India in 2017. Second president from Dalit community or SC community, that person Ramnath Kovind. Before taking this post, he was governor of Bihar. These are main points we have to concentrate about our former presidents. Thank you.